In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code in WordPress. If you want to add a custom widget, a form, a tracking snippet, or any other HTML-based element to your WordPress site, this process is very straightforward once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside the editor without getting lost. First, go to your site editor in WordPress. This is where you can manage and customize the layout and content of your site. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the page, template, or section where you want the code to appear. This is important because the code will be inserted exactly where you place it. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the plus icon. This is the block inserter, and it allows you to add different kinds of content blocks into your WordPress layout. Since you'll be embedding code, you'll need to insert the correct type of block so WordPress treats your code properly. After clicking the plus icon, type HTML into the search bar. This helps you quickly find the right block instead of scrolling through the full list of options. You should then see a block called Custom HTML. Go ahead and click on Custom HTML. This block is designed specifically for pasting in code that you want WordPress to render on the page. It's a useful option whenever you need to embed code manually, instead of using a plugin or built-in block. Once the block has been added, click Edit HTML. This gives you access to the code input area where you can directly enter or paste the snippet you want to use. Be careful to paste the code exactly as provided, since even a small mistake in formatting can affect how it displays. Now paste your code into the custom HTML block. If you're working with code from a third-party tool, make sure you're only using the code snippet itself and not any extra text around it. It's also a good idea to double-check that the code is meant to be embedded with HTML and that it's being placed in the correct area of your site. When everything looks good, click Update. This saves your changes and publishes the embedded code to your site. After updating, it's a smart idea to preview or refresh the page on the front end so you can confirm that the code is displaying and working the way you expect. And that's it. That's how to embed code in WordPress using the custom HTML block.